We have been deep in the e-bike industry for years, not one but two global production bases.
Jinhua, China, 50,000 square meters, able to produce 300,000 units a year. Warsaw, Poland, nearly 10,000 square meters, 50,000 units yearly, and that's where our own co-brand lives. 你的 ODM, OEM want to be a distributor? We've got a solution that fits you, and we will back you all the way. Today, let's walk through JOBO Europe. Let me show you what is real strength. We are 37 kilometers from Warsaw Qiubin Airport, right off the A2 highway, super connected. The building is BRAIN certified, way above regulation construction standards in the worldwide. Nearly 10,000 square meters with 12-meter ceilings, bright, open, and ready to grow. A 3,500 square meter warehouse with 7 rock rows. 2.5 rows alone hold 2,500 pieces of packed e-bikes. The rest of parts and after-sales support, pre-assembling, wheel-assembling, materials, everything has its spots. 2 30-meter assembling lines, monthly output up to 4,500 units. That's efficiency. Every single e-bike goes through strict QC. That hits our 100-meter tech check. 100% red tested. No shortcuts, no quality issues. Fast packing, zoomed storage, and move to warehouse. No backtracking. Max speed, max efficiency.
We are everywhere. We've got the skills, whether you need custom partner or want to distribute. Just tell us. Reliable, easy, and done right.